Welcome to online classes. Today we will start with Introduction to Information Technology, Lesson 3. In this chapter, we'll study what information technology is, why do we need information technology in our life, and how this technology is making our life easier by the day. Nowadays, many companies are in the field of information technology. How? For example, you want to launch a new car. You have a new product, a new hair color, a new biscuit, special type of cookies, as you say. You want to launch something new, a new design of your formal wear. Now what you need are customers as well, right? You want to sell that product as well. So the critical time is you have to give advertisement. You have to reach out to the people through media. This is how the companies are earning, making a lot of money because of good standards and the creative and competitive. Means there is a lot of competition in the market. So the only possible if proper information is received at the proper time. So most of the companies start giving you advertisement on TV, within your music, on your social media platforms a month before the launch. It is known as the era of information technology. So what is information technology? The technology which is used for processing, how the information is processed, storing and exchange of information, how the information should be exchanged. It is called information technology. You can share photographs, you can discuss, you can chat with anybody, you can have voice calls, you can have video calls all around the world. Why do we need information technology? In today's world, in this era, everybody is making their life easier by the day through use of information technology. For businesses, if I have a business, right, I want to attract customers, I'll give advertisements. I can make my office automation, say technology in the industry, in the factories, there are a lot of machines working instead of people. It's much faster. Management, I can manage everything easier instead of working on papers and piling it up on the desktop. I can just have a computer and store the information easily. At home, communication. In the past, when we used to send letters to someone very close to or to a relative, it usually took a week, a month. Now you just click on a button and your information is received within seconds or a minute. Education, students, for example, can learn at school and they can enhance their creativity through online learning as well. Entertainment, you're watching a serial, you're watching a movie, or you're waiting for a movie to come on a certain day or at a certain time. But through internet, you can search any kind of music, any kind of video, any kind of product whenever you want, at what time you're free. You don't have to wait for a certain time. Smart classes in schools. Website. What is a website? A page that you open when you open a computer or internet page, that is called a web page, a single page. And the collection of pages together within the same domain name is called website. For example, Punjab Board website, as we'll discuss further. What is a URL? Before that, URL is Uniform Resource Locator. It is the address of the website. Now you can open any web browser. For example, I have Avast Secure web browser. If I click www.worldwideweb.pseb.ac.in, academic.in means India. This will open a web page, the first web page. Now if I click or if I see this website, you'll see information regarding academia. You need books, you need results, you need roll numbers, number of schools and special branches, etc. Now for example, you want to download a book. So you just either click straight on the page, or you can right click and open it, new tab. This will take you to another page. Now this is a collection within a same domain names, within same name. That is why it's called a website. Suppose you want to download any book from class 8. Click OK. Now which subject, and in the bracket it says in which medium. Let's just say I want to download computer science book in English medium. I just see computer science English medium. Click here. Now this pop-up is saying it is illegal to republish and sell this book. This book can be accessed freely by students, teachers or whoever wants to study, not for resale. Okay. Now this will open your ebook, electronic book, that you can download it in a PDF format, right? Next, if I want to check out my results, this will take to a result website that will link to again within the same domain name, but the collaboration is with indiaresults.com. Now the domain name changed. This is called a hyperlink. You can see around results dated back to January 2017 of Punjab board. The latest ones are going to be on the top. As you go by, past the time, it will go on the bottom. Let's say you want to find results of middle class, class 8. Click on the link and you fill in the roll number and you'll find the result. Okay. Searching. We use internet or web browsers or information technology. With the help of information technology, you can search anything. Anything means anything. Let's say I want to search something. You first you need a search engine. I'll open a Google, Google. I'll open Google. This is your search engine. ABC. I want to know what ABC is. So with this search, the search engine will show you news, videos related to ABC, the term that you have searched. Now ABC is also a company in Australia. ABC is also a news channel, and what ABC is about, you can have a Wikipedia page, information, a free source page that is edited everywhere. Alright. Web surfing. Web surfing means to move from one place to another. Not physically. It means the time that you're spending on internet, from one page clicking here, you want to find a movie, you want to find a song, you want to find any subject, any book. The time that you spend on internet is called web surfing. Very important. Difference between online and offline. How do we say you're online? Online means you're connected to somebody through a line. It means you're chatting and you both are chatting at the same time. You're logged on, it is online. Suppose you're chatting with somebody on WhatsApp, a social media app. Now you sent a message and the reply came straight away. It means you're both online. Sometimes what happens is you sent a message and the message that you sent to, the receiver is not there. It means he or she is right now not connected to internet or is offline. What happens is when you are online, you are connected to everybody around the globe through internet. And when you are offline, you are physically whoever you are in company with, but on internet you are alone, not connected. Alright? Downloading. You want to download any kind of music, video through internet. You can download, you can search first on any search engine and then you can click. Easy as that. Net banking. A system of banking in which customers can view their account details, pay bills and transfer money by means of internet is known as net banking. Every bank has allowed a user ID and password for their customers. You can open that website and you can log in and do whatever you want to do. Then online shopping. What is online shopping? Online shopping or online retailing is a form of electronic commerce which allows consumers to directly buy goods or services from the seller over the internet. Imagine you want to buy something. What you are going to do is you are going to go to the market, a bigger market if you want something unique, and go to shop by shop to search for something that you specifically need. And you have to carry cash, your card, everything. But with online shopping, what you need to do is you can search it on the line, and then whenever you find that you desire, it will also show you the price difference, and you can pay through electronically by the means of credit card or debit card or digital money. Easy buying everything here. You can view online results as we have discussed earlier. Mobile technology. Now, mobile is basically a computer, a smart computer within your pocket. You can do everything with this technology that you can do over the desktop, and it is changing rapidly. It's changing the way we have education, we have surveys, banking and data analysis. With this, your chapter is complete. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, do let me know. Thank you.